much for baking, as I'm living here alone. I used to bake a Sunday pie, I'd make him beans each Friday night. It was just the way we did things, maybe wrong, but maybe right. And if there's any one thing these 80 years have taught me now, it's that life's a bumpy road, we ride the best that we know how. What seems true forever may just change beyond the fence. So it seems to me the smallest things must make the difference. This apron wraps around me like the friends I've not seen since.